Hello traders and welcome back to another daily market outlook video. I'm Reb and I'm here today to go over with you on the Euro USD price chart. Now, as we can see, last week we were going on the last week's videos on with the market outlook. We had this bullish impulse here come up into this daily supply area, nice rejection and pulled away. So I covered those in last week's videos. If you want to jump back and watch those last week's videos, they're on the YouTube channel there. So since coming into this daily supply area, we've seen this rejection. Obviously now we're probably looking at the daily continuation here on the euro of continuing bearish, and we're looking to probably come down and break these lows. So to start the week out yesterday, we I'll drop down the 15-minute chart here. So here's Monday's Asian session. Here's a screenshot I posted to our group, TFT private group, yesterday on my outlooks on what I was expecting to play out for the day. And as we can see here by the price action, played out perfectly. We had this pull down into this area. It actually just wicked out below and broke the low of the structure to the left, which gave me the confluence that this high here was going to hold. So it came down here. I set up a nice little pending order up in here, and I set it to a short position right at the start, just into that zone there. Set it just above the Asian high here and went down for a nice 3-to-1 here and just got stopped out at the end of today's Asian range here. So that was quite a nice little trade that I took yesterday, and obviously shared to the TFT community on my breakdown analysis from yesterday. So now, based on yesterday's movements, we can get rid of a couple of these now. They're no longer relevant. So as we can see here, we've had this big impulse bullish and then a massive big rejection. We've consolidated for a little bit, broken these lows and come down lower. So basically what I'm looking for now is this here is the impulse, the start of the impulse that broke this structural low point here. Right there. Okay, so that was the move that came down, waddled around a bit, and now ultimately broke structure. And as you can see, as this has pushed up so aggressively, it has taken liquidity highs here and also a liquidity high right here. Okay. So it's safe to say that this big candle is probably an area that the bank is probably going to want to retrace back to close out some orders before continuing the bias of bearish, which I discussed just earlier on the higher time frame. So for me, with today's price action being, I think there's about 52 pip range being quite trending range. So basically with the trending range, we have two different scenarios that can play out. We can see a slight pullback in the range to an internal point of interest. So we could see one here from the halfway line. We could also see one here from the higher point in the range. I think the higher point in the range is probably less likely due to the fact that we do have a build-up of equal high liquidity sitting right on top of the Asian session range. So there's a lot of liquidity tied up in here into an area that we know has probably got some open orders still stuck in. So for me, I think we either see a retrace here, we see this little area here hold, this area here hold for today and continue bearish, or we come up, we see a sweep of the Asian highs, sweep of the equal highs here into this extended wick, and then a pull down further. Again, guys, just make sure in these areas, don't just go trading these areas willy-nilly. Make sure that you're following your own trading plan and you've got your own trend changes that you're looking for, you know, break of structures, engulfing candles, morning and evening stars, all that sort of stuff. Make sure that, you know, you're looking for those. Don't just go trading into these areas willy-nilly, otherwise you will get caught. So anyway, that's my analysis for today. That's what I'm ultimately looking for. Happy trading, guys, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.